Yes. Good morning to all 10th standard students. Here, to start with, let us take up multiple choice questions. It is part 1. There are 8 questions, 8 into 1, 8 marks. In the multiple choice questions, there are 4 A, B, C, D multiple choice answers. You have to tick one. Now, let me read the first one. In the general form of an AP, the third term is option A plus 3D, option B, A plus 2D, option C, A plus D, option D, A plus 4D. Now, you know it. The general form of an AP is given by A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. Now, the question is, in the general form of an AP, the third term is A plus 2D, A plus A plus D, A plus 2D. Now third term is, this is A plus 2D, that is the answer. Now, the question number 1, option is B. You have to write the answer A plus 2D. That's 1 mark. You need not tick everything. If B is, you cannot tick. In some other videos that they are showing that you have to tick like that. Don't tick. Only you have to write one, option B, A plus 2D. Now, let me come to second question. In an AP, if AN is equal to 3 minus 4N, then the 10th term is options A 10, B minus 10, C minus 37, D 43. Now, it can be easily solved without any calculations, but don't try like that. You can solve, you can find without writing more steps. Now, AN is equal to 3 minus 4N. Now, it is asked to find out the 10th term, means N is equal to 10, that is A 10 equals 3 minus 4 into 10. Now, this gives you 3 minus 40. This is equal to minus 37. So, 3 minus 40 is minus 37. You have to search the answer. That is C minus 37. You have to write like this. That is question number 2. Option is C. The answer is minus 37. This is the answer. Now, let us come to the third one. In the standard form of quadratic equation, QE means quadratic equation, if B is equal to 0, the type of quadratic equation is. Now, there is no working for this. You must be knowing it. The standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Look here. Now, in the question, if b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 means 0 into x becomes 0. The quadratic equation in first degree vanishes. Therefore, it will be in the second degree only. Therefore, the equation is called pure quadratic equation. That is option. That is third one. Option D is the answer. That is D That is pure quadratic equation. That is all. Now, fourth one, refer to figure. If AB is equal to, here in this figure, AB is parallel to CD or BA is parallel to DC. Now, it is given AB is equal to 90 centimeter, CD is equal to 30 centimeter, B is equal to 120 centimeter, then BD is equal to dash centimeter. Now we can do it orally also without any calculations. We can get the answer like this. CD, this is CD. CD means 30 centimeters. This is BE is like this. Here it is. You have to find out BD. You have to find out this. You have to find out BD. Here AB is given is equal to 90. AB is given is equal to 90 and CD is equal to 30 means 3 times this. 3 times. Like BE is equal to 120 means the BD is equal to 1/3 of 120. It will be 40 centimeter. Or if it is little difficult, you have to solve like this. If within 1 minute you can do it. So here there are two similar triangles, ABE and CDE are the similar triangles. Now you need not prove it. So these similar triangles, the sides, now AB, the CD is parallel to AB. If a line is drawn parallel to the side of a triangle, then according to corollary of BPT, the sides are the corresponding if a line is parallel to side of a triangle, then the sides of the given triangle is proportional to the sides of the intercepted triangle. This is the corollary. Now we have to write like this. That is BD divided by BE is equal to BD divided by BE is equal to CD divided by AB. Like this. Now substitute the values of BD. BD is how much? We have to find out BD divided by BE means 120. This is equal to CD means 30 centimeter. Now AB is 90 centimeter. 0 cancels. Now 3 ones are 3 threes are. Now 3 BD is equal to 120. That is BD is equal to 120 divided by 3 gives you 40 centimeters. The option is A 20, B 40, C 45, D 25. Therefore the option is B 40 dash centimeter is given. You can write, that is fourth question, B 40. Now fifth question. The lines joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle is diameter, B secant, C chord, D tangent. Here is a circle. The line joining any 2 points on the circle, line joining, that is, here is one point, here is another point. If you join these 2 points, what do you call this? This is a chord. This is a chord. If intersects the circle, it becomes secant. The chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. Therefore, this is chord is the answer. That is fifth question. Option is C. Answer is chord. Over. Now, sixth question. Come to the sixth question. The conditions for the 2 lines are always parallel is. Now, first option A. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. B A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. C A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. D A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Now, no working here. Only thing is you have to remember these conditions. If the two lines are parallel, means you know A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That is the sixth question. B is the answer. Now A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Remember, you have to remember these conditions. Supposing if it is equal to C1 by C2, here the two lines are coincident lines. Coincident lines like this. Yes. Seventh one, the perimeter of the base of a cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Then its CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder, is dash centimeter square. Option A 20 centimeter square. Option B 4 centimeter square. Option C 25 centimeter. Option D centimeter square. Option D 100 centimeter square. Now we have to solve this for within a minute. You can find the result. How? You know it. Curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. 2 pi r means it is the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base is of the cylinder is given equal to 20 centimeter. This is 20 into height of the cylinder is 5. 20 into 5 gives you 100. This is unit is centimeter square. You have to search the answer. 24, 25, 100. That is seventh one. Option is D. Answer is 100. It is centimeter already given. Dash it is given. Therefore 100 the answer. Now, in the multiple choice there are 8 questions. That is the 8th one is the distance of a point P of -5, -12 from the origin is dash centimeter. Now for this, remember the distance of a point from the origin is always given by the formula P of, you must be knowing this result, P of xy is equal to root of x square plus y square. P of xy is equal to root of x square plus y square. Remember, that is distance of the point from the origin. That is, origin means P is the point, distance of the point from the origin means PO is equal to root of x square plus y square. Now, here is x coordinate, y coordinate. X coordinate is -5. Yes, this is equal to -5 whole square plus of -12 whole square. This is equal to minus of something whole square is always plus. This is 25 plus 144. Now you know always these so many times these numbers will come. That is 169 gives you square root of 169 is 13. Search the answer 13 centimeter. 13. Therefore, 8th one is option is C. Answer is 13 centimeter. Now, so this is part in part first. There are 8 questions, 8 into 1, 8 marks. Remember. Now part 2, it is the questions of 1 marks. So you have to do, in some questions you have to solve, in some questions directly writing the answer, that is formula or something, if it is asked you have to write it, the formula. In some questions you have to show the steps also. Now the standard form of the quadratic equation, the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is 8 into the, do the following problems, 8 into 1 equals 8. The standard form of the quadratic equation is x minus x square equals minus x is dash. In this question it is dash is, you have to fill the blank, This is all. Now what you have to do, the quadratic equation is x minus x square is equal to minus 6 is the equation. You have to convert into standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to standard form. Now here is the equation. Now transfer these two terms to RHS, that is 0 equals x square. When it comes to RHS, it becomes changes the sign, x square, and this plus x is minus x, and minus 6 is already in the RHS, don't change the sign, that is minus 6. This implies, so interchange the LHS and RHS, therefore what do you get? X square minus x minus 6 equals 0 is the standard form. Therefore you have to write x square minus x minus 6 equals 0 is the answer. You have to write, fill in the blank. That's all. Now 10th one, find the sum of natural even numbers from 2 to 20. This is the 1 mark question. You need not take up the question and taking the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, not necessary. Sum of natural even numbers 2 plus, yes, you have to find, means you have to show the step. Sum of natural even numbers means that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on to 20. So on to 20. Now you have to find out here natural even numbers means n, you have to find out n becomes 20 by 2 is the n, that is 10. Now you know the formula for natural even numbers. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 is the formula. That is Sn means S10 equals n means 10 into 10 plus 1. That is equal to 10 into 11. The answer is 110. This is S10. Sum of natural even numbers from 2 to 20 is 110. This is the answer. Yeah. Now 11th question, write the curved surface area of the cone. Write the curved surface area of the cone. You have to write the formula to find the curved surface area of the, yes, cone. Yes, writing that is no question of working in nothing. You have to write the CSA of cone. That is all, no question of derivation. That is, so CSA of cone. This is equal to pi or L is the formula to find the curved surface area of the cone. Yes. Now 12th one, find the distance between the points A of 5, 3, B of 3, 1. So now here, so here also, even it is a 1 mark question, you have to solve. You cannot write the answer directly. That means 12th one, yes, solution. Now here A of x1 is equal to 5, 3, y1 equals 3, x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 3, and x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 1. You have to write the distance formula. That means d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. Now substitute the values and simplify it. Yes, x2 minus x1 means where 3 minus 5 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square, y2 means 1, 1 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to 3 minus 5 means minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2 whole square. This is equal to minus 2 whole square is plus 4 plus minus 2 whole square again, that is 4. The answer is root 8. Now it can be simplified also. D is equal to root 8 means root of 8 means 8 can be written as root of 4 into 2. It can be simplified 2 root 2. That is 2 root 2 is the simplified form, units. So even for 1 marks also you have to, because it is a question find. Supposing if it is the problem given like this dash, the distance between the points A and B is dash means directly you can write the 2 root 2. So full marks are given. But even it is 1 mark, you have to write the formula and you have to solve. Yes. 14th question. 13th one. Express the following statements in the form of quadratic equation. Yes. Express the following statement in the form of quadratic equation. Yes. The product of two consecutive odd numbers is 99. So you have to express this statement in the form of quadratic equation. So here, that is the solution. Yes, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, product of two consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers means we have to add 2. The second number is, therefore the second number is x plus 2. The product of two consecutive odd numbers means, as per data, so therefore product of, as per data, that is x into x plus 2 is equal to 99 is the equation. In the form of quadratic equation, you have to bring it to standard form. This implies x square plus 2x, bring it to 99 to LHS, minus 99 is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Even if you write this, you have to give 1 mark. Yes, you'll be getting 1 mark. 14th one. If x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 1, find the values of x and y. Even if the same question is asked for dash type, x is equal to dash, y is equal to, you can write directly x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 1. Orally you can do 2 numbers means 6 plus 5 equals 11. 6 minus 5 equals 1. By inspection method only you can write x is equal to 6, y is equal to 5. But here it is the question find. Find means you have to solve. That is solution. That is x plus y is equal to 11, x minus y is equal to 1. Now you can use that equalizing the coefficients. It is the only method adopted for you. It is the only method. The other two methods have removed. Equalizing. That equalizing means here it is 1, 1. Here's plus 1, minus 1. Now, easy method of cancelling this is plus and minus. That is, if you add it, if you adding these two equations, adding this is the equation number 1, this is the equation number 2. So, why these two terms get cancelled? Therefore, adding means 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 2 gives you 6. 6 is the x is equal to 6. Therefore, when x is equal to 6, you can find the value of y. That means x plus y is equal to 11. X is equal to 6 means 6 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11. So, coming to the taking to RHS, that means minus 6. The answer is 5. Therefore, x and y, write the answer. X is equal to 6, comma, y is equal to 5. These are the solutions of this pair of linear equations. So even it is 1 mark, you have to solve. You follow it? Yes. Now, next one, write the formula to find the median for the group data. So median for the group data. Yes. Write the formula, that's all. Yes, 15th one, you have to write the formula clearly. So median is equal to, there is no symbol to express this median. You have to write median is equal to, only thing is you have to by heart it and you have to write the formula without committing mistakes. L plus, open a bracket, n by 2. That is n by 2 means total number of frequency divided by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency, over frequency of the median class into high, that is H. H means difference between the class intervals. That is, yes, lower limit, difference of lower limit minus upper limit, like this. This is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF over F into H. H. Now, 16th one. Find the value of sin square 10 degree plus cos square 80 degree. Find. You cannot write even, so you may be knowing that sin square a plus cos square a. You know that is the identity number 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is always equal to 1. Now you have to bring that value. This is sin square 10 plus cos square. Yes. Find the value of sin square 10 degree plus sin square 80 degree. How to take up this solution? Yes. Sin square 10 degree plus sin square 80 degree. So for this you have to take this complementary, that is complementary angle. That is, you know that sin of 90 minus a is equal to cos a. You have to use this complementary angle property. That is, sin square 90 minus a is equal to cos square a. Now here what you have to do is sin square 10, write as it is. Now sin square 90 minus 10, you have to write like this. 90 minus 10 gives you 80. Sin of 90 minus a is cos a. Sin square of 90 minus a is cos square a. This gives you what happens? Sin square 10 degree plus cos square 10 degree. Look here, sin square A plus cos square A, angles are equal. Sin square A plus cos square A or sin square B plus cos square B, the answer is 1. So this is the answer. Thank you very much.